Okay, in this video we're gonna do a Pokemon video, and we got our package, so let's open it. So we got Battle Styles and Chilling Region Pokemon booster packs, and I think it's one more. Yeah, so let's open these. It's gonna be a struggle. Yeah, it's a struggle. Okay, I found the hatch. And this is my first time opening a pack. You wonder what I got all these cards from? It's from like trade, like people give me cards and trading. So we got a Battle Styles, 2 Battle Styles, a Chilean, and yeah. So I think I'm gonna go with this one first. It's super simple. Okay, so now got the code card. It's a cookie. Got this. We got this dog Pokemon V. So we got a V Max. It looks very cool. So yeah. Okay, we got water energy, this board. And then we got a single strike skull. And now let's open, I think we're going to open the Moltres. First, let's put these over here. Okay. I think we're going to save the Moltres for last and do the Battle Styles. Split this through like this. Split from the back. And so you always want to get this from the front like this. Okay. The code card. And now I'm going to flip it. Okay. Mankey. Okay, a Colossal. A Water Energy. And a Single Strike Energy. And Camp Gear. Now we're going to do the Moltres one. Okay, now we're going to open the Grand Moltres pack. Hopefully this gives us some good luck. So we get another V Max. This one's one of the hard ones to open. Oh. Got it open. So, basically by the front, like this. Okay, code card. Now flip it by the front. Here we go in. Sweet Kung Fu. Oh, a Lucky Energy. Grand Energy. Welcome, Lantern, Card, and Bottle. So we got a good card, a good Necrozma V Max, and then we got a Clans Focus Reverse, and then the other Reverse I think is this Colossal Reverse. Yeah, those are our 3 good cards, and I'm going to put them over here. And now we're going to put them in my binder. Okay, so you guys probably don't know this, but these code cards that you get in every pack use to get free Pokemon packs. And then so now we're going look through what I picked. So like Necroza V I picked with like my real good Pokemon. And then I didn't get no electrics, but I got a new Snow what? I think Snow what? Yeah, and then I got these two, these three new, these two, these three, and then the Snow one, and then the Necroza V, and this one, and then this one, and so oh yeah, also this one. Oh yeah, that one. Bounsweet, I think. And then Lick, I got him too. I got his evolution too. Oh yeah, I also got this one new. And now, yeah, I got this one, and this one new. And then this one. And so I got one more new dog Pokemon. And then these three. And like some trainers and then energy. So these energies, these no energies. Now I got her, him, and this card. And my favorite of all of these packs is it has to be the Necroza V. Like it's so sick, the way that they made it shine and with the different materials and stuff they used to make it shine. And the second favorite one I got from these Pokemon packs was this one. That was my second favorite. And that's basically the whole entire video. So bye, like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell button too. Bye.